Hi guys, today we're doing a dive into the Mount Sakurajima Eruption HIC case study. Mount Sakurajima is located on the Pacific Ring of Fire right at a destructive plate boundary. Here, the oceanic Pacific plate is forced to subduct, or slide, underneath the continental Eurasian plate. As the Pacific plate descends, it melts, creating a very viscous silica-rich magma. This makes Sakurajima very explosive, with a volcanic explosivity index, or VEI, go 6. That's comparable to the massive 1991 eruption of Mount Pinatubo. Since the 1950s, Sakurajima has been incredibly active, erupting up to 200 times a year. This produces a whole range of hazards, including lava flows, thick ash clouds, volcanic gases, lahars, and even acid rain. So, with all this danger, why do people live there? The area offers some significant opportunities. The volcanic soils are incredibly fertile, which is perfect for farming, generating income for locals. The region is also a huge tourist attraction. They come to see the hot springs, volcanic landscapes, and frequent small eruptions. This creates jobs and boosts the local economy. On top of that, Kagoshima Bay is well sheltered, supporting a fishing industry and acting as a port for trade. However, the risks are always present and very high. Nearby Kagoshima City has a population of 600,000 people, meaning an eruption could be devastating. Sakurajima can hurl volcanic bombs over 3 kilometers and produce pyroclastic flows that travel over 2 kilometers. It also releases ash and dangerous gases, which can cause breathing difficulties for residents. In fact, the 1914 eruption was so massive that it actually connected the volcano to the mainland, showing just how much this landscape can change. Fortunately, Japan is a HIC with world-class volcanic management strategies. They use tilt meters to detect ground swelling as magma rises, and seismometers to track the tiny earthquakes. Gas monitoring aircrafts measure increases in sulfur dioxide and check temperature of hot springs. Concrete shelters protect people from ash and volcanic bombs. Diversion channels steer lava and lahars away from populated areas. Clear evacuation routes move people to safety quickly and efficiently. This organized system is a great example of how a high-income country can prepare for volcanic hazards. If you found this helpful, check out the video on Mount Nyiragongo for a perfect comparison between HIC and LIC volcanic management. Want to dive deeper? Check out the full video linked in the description, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.